Okay, so we're heading towards this place. I forget what it's called, but there's some stuff here I want. But these assholes keep attacking me, you know, because they're probably defending their shit. I'm just not a fan. Blew his leg off, holy fuck. Is there anything in here? Why were they so adamant to protect it? Any mines over here? No? Okay. Oh, there's a person in there, okay. Three of them. Perfect. Yeah, there's still one in here somewhere. There you are. Oh god, they're eating people with a butter knife. Savages. Yeah, that's it. Come on in. I'll call the doctor. But I won't be calling the doctor for you. No, sir. Door to Northern Shack. Okay. Do like that you give me all these 10mm rounds, because that means I can switch. But I don't want to yet. Oh, 6 bullets left. Oh no, I have 12. Okay. What's in the old shack? Oh, there's people in here.
That's not a good idea.
Oh, sure it is. Sure you are. Okay. What'd the naked chick have? Anything? Are they both here? Or is it just one of them? Oh, she tumbled offside. Okay. Oh, wow, look at all this shit. all they're gonna have is 10mm rounds, isn't it? Why do you have so many boxes if you choose to push nothing in them? Ooh, magnum rounds, thank you. Really needed those. You know, where I'm in the house, though, I don't think I need it so much. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about right here. Uzi. Whiskey.
And now, one of my inspirational quotes from the mouth of your president, John Henry Eaton, straight to your heart. It's easier to do a job right than to explain why you did it.
Like, look how many bullets I have for this Uzi now. I guess since no one's here. Oh, no way. Sweet. I'm gonna crash in your place, man. I appear to be Dr. Death. Holy shit. I don't mean to be killing all these people, but, you know, they're kind of attacking me. And I have to say, I do not approve of being attacked. Not a fan. I don't need the turpentine or the wrench. What's in the toolbox? Conductor and plunger. Why is there a plunger in a toolbox? Whatever. What's in the dresser? Speech +5. That's what Uncle Leo gave me.
Sweet America, hello again. This is President Eaton. I'd like to have a chat. I've been thinking quite a bit lately about something we can all relate to. Something that is unquestioned, inescapable.
What the hell's cran? Oh, it's like spam. I see.
I am honoring, of course, to our great national pastime, baseball. So it had been. That's right, America. Before we were devastated by atomic war, each state had its own professional baseball team. Imagine. Perfect, cloudless day. The sun is warm, welcoming. And on the horizon, like the knights of yore, armed, bats lash, hickory. Their name, the Capitol Congressman. Their purpose, to make you, dear America, revel in the joys of sport and sunshine.
What?
If only for
Oh,
now ask yourself this.
workbench.
Capitol Congressman
Shish kebab. You're not. I need.
baseball
I have the pilot light.
put your faith in John Henry
Bottle cap mine. I'll definitely take that.
and baseball will live again. Comfort, recreation, healthy competition, all will. This country will live again. We've got a part now, you and I. Don't be sad. The Enclave is working tirelessly to rebuild this great country.
I'm sure you are. You're doing a great job too. Where are these douchebags? They must be in that building. Interesting. Will they see me through the vents? No? Okay. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them now. Where's this one at? Evergreen Mills. That's... or Hills, or something. That's what this place is called. Danger. There's no danger here. Ow. I don't understand what's shooting me. Oh, it's the gate itself. No, it's other people. I'm an idiot. Okay, we got one. Okay, I get it. Okay. Okay. Close quarters with an Uzi person. Good idea. Oh. Looks like a job for the Magnum. Ow. Ow. Okay. Get it. You're shooting me. I'm gonna go this way now. Thank you. Okay. You. I hear something, but I don't like what I'm hearing. Caution. What, from this? Oh. The fuck is that? Okay. No want. We got anything cool in here? I noticed that caged up gigantic thing is aggressive, so I'm glad he's caged up. What an odd place. Okay. Ah, shit. That one saw me, didn't it? See ya. Since I'm in close quarters. Any more? So I can look around. Sweet. I don't need the Abraxo cleaner. We had a hunting rifle. Cool. Vending machine. Nuka-Cola. And a box. Okay. Okay, it says it's easy. I guess it was easy. 197 bottle caps? Wow, okay. Okay. Sledgehammer? Is it time for Peter Gabriel? I'm sure that didn't wake anybody up.
Now, one of my inspirational quotes from the mouth of your president, John Henry Eaton. Straight. Commerce with all nations, alliance with none should be our motto. You're listening to Enclave.
Well, cool, bunch of pool balls.
John Henry Eaton, President of the Enclave, President of America, President of your heart. Hello again, America. This
Gun
is John
cabinet.
Henry Eaton, your
Chinese assault rifle. Yes, please.
That's all right. Did you know there are those amongst us who would shatter our hopes for peace, order, and security? These
172 more bottle caps, some 3 more money, bobby pins, whiskey. Okay.
Is fulfilling their own selfish desires. Let's take a tally of these agitators, shall we? There are, of course, the raiders, those anarchistic ruffians who roam the wastes, preying on any and all stealing, murdering. The so-called Brotherhood of Steel. Don't be fooled by their pseudo-knightly nonsense or supposed connections to the United States Army. These power-armored Boy Scouts are nothing more than common criminals with access to some antiquated technology. Criminals who have had the audacity to claim this country's most
Oh, sorry I'm being so quiet. I'm just... I guess I'm concentrating. I'm not used to this.
And don't be fooled, America. Those who have left the Brotherhood of Steel, branded outcasts, are just as dangerous, even more so, being in exile. And what about the slavers of Paradise Falls? Frighteningly radiating ghouls of underworld. And last but not least, the hideously mutated super mutants that have completely overrun the entire downtown.
Sorry I sneak around so much. It's just kind of my play style.
They're all around us, I know.
Time to sit on this stool. Mm-hmm. Let's move. Reconnect keyboard. Okay, needs a keyboard. Is there a keyboard around here? Is that all that's in here? Is this just like a loot thing? This isn't the loot thing I'm looking for. Oh-ho. Can I go up? How do I go up? Ooh, the bazaar. That's what I'm looking for, I believe. Oh, yeah, okay. What we got going on here? I'm gonna stay hidden here for a second. See if I can get a clear shot at some of these other people. Says there's one like right there. Trying to be a sneaky snake.
Who is that?
No one.
Okay, cut the shit. Who is that?
Said it's no one. No one, goddammit. I am no one. Thank you. Look at that body slide. That's some hilarious shit right there. You have a rifle. Bullet for your belly. Where the hell'd you go? Oh, you're over there. Okay. Well, let's reload then. You're gonna be a wuss. Not come out and die like a... unintelligible person. Raider. Give me your shit. Thank you. You know what?
This is President Eden, and you're listening to Enclave Radio, the voice of America. Wait, America.
Where are we at?
This is
I hear them. Ow!
it's time
Where are you?
to discuss something rather important. The issue at hand is
Oh, there you are. Okay. Let's get over here then.
I know as to just how I came to be elected.
How you doing? Good? Okay. Reading some scorched books, are we?
Lord, I am your president.
Ooh, scrap metal. Oh shit, there's more. I better turn this off. Hi! How you doing? Pleasure to meet you. Alright, the other one is where? Oh, did I kill them both? Okay. Yeah, I thought you had a fucking shotgun, you bitch. Alright. You. Over here. Come on. Come on. Over there. I said get over there. Stay down. Down. I said down. Thank you. Yeah. I wanted to be over encumbered, believe it or not. That one had a missile launcher, so I'm glad that died without incident. Hidden and detect. Ah, there you are. Hi, buddy.
Hey man, relax. We can do business.
Okay.
The rest of these guys around here might not want anything to do with you. But I got no problem with you. Well, not with your caps at least.
What do you have for sale?
Fresh out of the hands of some mark. Take a look.
You may have killed all my friends, but I still like you. All. Yeah, I'll take all that too. And all those. Okay, that's a lot more money than I was expecting to spend, but, you know, whatever. You can have that. You can have that. You can have all these beers. And this mac and cheese that I have for some reason. And this bottle cap mine. And these steaks. And this buff out. And this camera. And all of these. And that. And that. You can have these too. And whatever cram is. And some dirty water. Want some dirty water? How about an empty whiskey bottle? And you take a lot of junk. How about a fishing battery and a flamer and the fuel for the said flamer? Want some iguana bits? How about a jet? Junk food? Leaf blower. Haha, fool, now you owe me money. Well, the best part about this is I believe I just kill them after I'm done. Don't want that. Don't really want to kill him. I like having vendors around, so to speak. But he has something I need. He has something I need. Do you have anything else useful? Oh, you do. You have a bunch of stim packs. Give me those. You can have 32 of my caps, buddy. Sweet.
Don't like your deal? Tough. Sure thing.
Fix my hood. Fix my armor. Meh.
Bye.
Now that you're here, Smiling Jack's locker requires a key. Foot locker. I'll take your wine. Toolbox. I'll take your shit. Requires a key.
Hey.
Hi. Yeah, I'm taking your shit. Hope you don't mind. Okay. Okay, I think I see where I have to go for this. About here. No? It's right around there. Oh, that's so close. Yay. Ooh, energy cells. Nice. Why can't I take the microscope? I want to look at things microscopically. What a douche. What stuff you got here? Whoops. Sorry for kicking over your shit, man. Definitely take that. Is that a bobblehead? It is. Bobblehead barter. Thank you. Man, I'm getting all kinds of loot in here. Alright. Reverse pickpocket method, I guess. I want your gun. What do I have to give you that's... You know what, man? I don't got a problem with you. I really wish I didn't have to do this. But yeah. Sorry. The terrible shotgun, shoot that. Okay, now where did your shotgun go? Ow. Shotgun. Well, I shot it out of his hand, and that was great, but... Really? It doesn't help me if he picks it back up. Yeah, he picked it back up. Fuck, where are you? Alright. 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 Sorry, Smiling Jack. But you were a dick. The terrible shotgun, my other unique weapon. Thank you. Barter +5. Yeah, I'll take that. And all your money. And all your bullets. I feel bad, but he was like a traitorous wretch who, like, completely abandoned his friends, so I don't feel too bad. Oh, this is everything that was in his store. Excellent. So everything I just sold to him I can take back. But I only want some of it. Those sell good. Pre-war money. See that? I got the thing for, like... I got the thing for barter, and then I learned how to make all kinds of deals with this guy by shooting him. I say mission accomplished. Let's get the fuck out of here. Oh yeah. Wait a minute. I can repair it. $62 damage? Holy shit. Gimme. Terrible shotgun indeed. So now I have 2 unique weapons. Hooray! All the .32 caliber rounds.
Inspirational quotes from the mouth of your president, John Henry Eaton, straight to your heart. Labor disgraces no man, but occasionally men disgrace labor.
The fuck out of this foundry. I'll explore this shit later. Right now. There's enemies near him. Oh yeah, the super mutant thing, right. Well, super mutant thing can stay in there. Looked like a super mutant. I don't know if it's actually a super mutant, but fucking Christ, it's big. I'll come back and kill it later. Okay, we're still in Caution Land. Okay, I'm like a million miles away from this fucking super mutant. Can I please just have this caution shit go away? Thank you. Oh, wait. Who's that? Hi.
Welcome, sir or madam, to Crazy Wolfgang's traveling junk store. The depot of detritus, the shop of slop, and the caravan of crap.
Okay.
Now, what odds and ends can I, the craziest of all possible Wolfgangs, offer to you?
I don't know. I'm here to buy.
Crazy Wolfgang's got just what you need, assuming you need the random junk that I've got.
Yeah, I'll definitely take your stim packs, man. That's all you have? Well, time to sell you some junk, I guess. I have 3 plungers. Pre-war money, want some of that? Seems junky. Aww. Thanks, man.
A pleasure doing business with you.
Can you repair something for me? No, no. I'll definitely get that repaired now. Okay.
Nothing but the highest quality leftovers, junk, and crap.
I love how I tiptoed my way in here, and then on my way out, it's like I have all this crazy ammunition and shit. 12 stim packs, you know. I'm doing pretty good for myself now. Jesus, it was sketchy there for a minute. Have some Wonder Glue, man. I'm glad to take your shit from you.
Another satisfied customer.
Tell me about your trade caravan.
I scour the wasteland for the very best pieces of trash, the height of detritus, and the veritable pick of the litter. It's all valuable to someone.
Fair enough.
And I always make sure to make my rounds through Canterbury Commons. Their mayor, Rowe, always has a place for a clever junk man like myself.
Oh, cool. He gave me a place to go. I have to go now.
Good luck out there.
I should just shoot you with my gun. Okay, good. Oh, and we're almost at a level, too. Awesome. So I just got, like, the greatest shotgun ever. This I'm so happy. Yay. And I got my rifle repaired, which is also good. Sure have. But it's time for me to put my new bobblehead in its place. There he is. Look at him holding up that cap. I want to see him better. No, I want to look at him through my super gun. Yeah. Look at him. His head's all bobbling. He's got a bottle cap. That guy has a needle. He has a wrench. And these small guns. He has a pistol. Lockpick guy has a pick. Science and strength. Yay. So thanks for joining me today, guys. We got lots of stuff done today. Like, comment, subscribe. You like what you saw. You're watching on YouTube or whatever. If not, thanks for watching live, because that was fun. And I got more bobbleheads. I love bobbleheads. See how my barter skills doing. Barter's up to 50. Like, that's sweet. So yeah, till next time, this is Dottie saying bye-bye.